suspect vehicle is a black BMW.
Damn, dude, your car is squatting down to the ground. Ah, shut up. Random spam calls. Did you lose your lane, sir? I swear, a lot of the people out here are very creative with, you know, keeping their lane. They're maintaining a lane that I'm not aware of, but clearly, you know, they've got something else in mind. They're seeing something that I'm not seeing. I mean, from my perspective, it's something that's not actually there, but I don't wanna, you know. Jesus, dude, you're struggling. I'm gonna get over here for now. I know you Mr. Prius, are gonna think, oh yeah, I'm letting him through so he can go faster, but it's really just because everyone's going the same damn speed up there, so it doesn't make any difference. So why camp in the left lane if it's not gonna change anything? See? Now watch this. Instead of wasting my time being loyal to a lane that ain't doing anything for me, I'm having more fun over here. Because everyone else is hanging out over there for some reason. I just saw something blue. Ooh, a grabber blue Mustang. I love me a grabber blue Mustang. That's pretty. I like that color. Well, you know, there's a way you can let me know you're gonna do that before you do that, but I guess, you know, you got weak fingers. Your wife is very unhappy with you in bed since you're that lazy. You know, it's probably a whole thing. But come on, you gotta work on that. Right lane, huh? Oh, that does not look like a fun exit to be on for a semi-truck. Why is he going so damn slow? I don't know why my screen dimmed. It's not very helpful. I'm trying to give the motorcycle, you know, plenty of space. I don't want to crowd him. Got the arch right up there. That's cool. Here we go. That's fun. What is that green thing up there? That's a really bright color. I guess fair enough, but you still could have used your turn signal. But I get it, whatever. Your car sounded a little bit like a wet fart though for some reason. Kind of odd when those cars can sound good. Well, I don't know, that looked more like an RT than like a Hellcat or something. And now I got a Chevy right on my bumper. I know they backed off, that's good. Jesus. I'm avoiding all that crap anyways, but I'm still finding some bad roads, even though I'm dodging all those other roads from this morning with all the freaking potholes. I've used quarter of a tank already today. Well, I guess that includes, so that's 60, quarter of a tank in 120-ish, little over 120-ish miles. That doesn't sound very fuel efficient to me. I guess I'm not the sort of person that gets nervous on bridges. Oh my god, shut up. I don't know what this thing's problem is, but yeah, just bridges are fun to drive on. I think it's fun. Other people get nervous. Like, I don't really see what difference it makes whether you're on solid ground or, you know, a bridge. Sinkholes can happen. Crazy waves or storms can happen. You know, the odds aren't, you know, the odds aren't that bad either way. So I feel like it's more of an irrational fear. It's like when, you know, people are afraid of flying. Though it's kind of vindicated now, because Boeing is, you know, the way it is. I gotta be careful what I say or Boeing might assassinate me or something. I wish the speed limit on this road was just a little bit higher, because it would be a great road to go really fast on. But for some reason, America is just afraid of going past 65 miles an hour. Don't know why. Maybe it's because we all suck at driving. Who's gonna go faster, that straight truck or a bus? Well, we're gonna find out. No, it doesn't matter, the bus is moving. Oh, you're moving over too. Well, that just means I need to roll down my window. Oh, the hell was that? Jeez.
Sandwich.
Good morning, everyone. All of you beautiful people. You beautiful people. I don't know why I just shifted with the... Don't judge me. There's a cop up ahead. Ooh, and there's a guy over there too getting radar. Hello, sir. Man, look at the deer bar on that thing. I could see his handlebar mustache from here. So there's a bit of cop presence today on my favorite road. A little difficult to save time on my favorite road when there's cops everywhere. Also, you and I are going the same speed, Mr. Rigging Solutions. But I get it, we're all kind of a little jumpy now. We had one cop that had already pulled someone over and pulled a U-turn back there. And we had that guy hiding away trying to get people's speeds. We don't know where the next one's gonna be. I don't know where they usually hide. That guy was just really easy to see. Kind of emphasizes my whole thing of, I should probably get a radar detector. Tell you what though, 55 miles an hour or nearabouts makes no difference. Feels really freaking slow. At least I'm getting good mileage right now, I think. Is that what this means? Average consumption, 16.3. Hogan, what happened? Oh, you're driving an International. That's why you're having a bad day. Oh, that is a mobile weigh station. And that's the Illinois Department of Transportation. Man, you guys. That's why he was on the side of the road. He's probably getting some kind of inspection. That's even worse. Well, officer, what do you think? Well, all of your equipment looks great, but I don't want to give you a pass because that would make you feel good about yourself. So I'm just going to say that there's abrasions on your airlines, even though there aren't any actually there. That will be verified by a mechanic later. And your company will fire you because, you know, they trust what I say, even though, you know, I'm cross-eyed and stupid. I feel like I have to be careful now. It's really irritating. Because this road feels a lot more like an 80-mile-an-hour road. Or a 70, at least. It's like one of the few roads... This is a bad section to give as an example, because that was kind of ass, but that was also Granite City, so, you know, whatever. But this is one of the few roads I can drive on that remains relatively consistent in terms of surface quality. So I should be able to go faster on it, no problem. I'm not gonna hit like a pothole or a crater or I don't know what else and spin out and die. But then depending on the road quality, it doesn't matter how fast you're going, because if you hit a bad patch of road, you're gonna bend a wheel or whatever. Does the city care? No. Are they gonna help pay for it? No. I'm gonna say, screw you. It's your fault for driving on our crap roads. You should have known they'd be crappy. You should have expected them to be crappy. Because that's the standard we have here. I feel like I'm ranting for no reason. I'm really not that upset about it, but my mouth is going on autopilot.